Have you ever Googled yourself, a business, a company, a school, and wondered why it did not come up first? Well, that's because the ones that came up first, they have strong SEOs, or search engine optimization, is one of the most powerful ways to improve your digital brand. A lot of people just don't know how to do it. Well, this short episode, I will give you pro tips on how you can do it. But before I get to that, thank you for your support. Make sure you guys catch that first episode that I just published the other day. That was September the 21st, if you want a reference point. And I was only going to do these once a week, but by popular demand, I'm just going to do them when the questions come in. And so there it is. So why do SEOs matter? It's a fancy way of saying how easy it is for people to find you online. If they're looking for you, you can show up first on the page of search results, and you also get instant credibility. But if your name or your business or your school is on the third page, heck, even the second page, I'm gonna be honest with y'all. Even me as a business guy, I'm not gonna search that far to try to find out about you. When I retired, you put Mario in the search engine, Mario Brothers and Luigi came up. Woo-hoo, you know what I mean? Like, I didn't have an online brand, but I listened to it. Shout out to Bob Gotleski, he's my mentor out of Southern California. And I applied these techniques, and now I've been improving my search engine optimization for quite some time, over 7 years. So here's some tips. Follow a school, a company, or an organization that you're interested in, or a content creator or someone on LinkedIn. I don't care. Just follow someone. And when they post, repost their post. Okay. That's the start. You don't have to edit it and put some thought-provoking comments, but just do that. And the more you do that, one, you're improving their search engine optimization and their brand, and you're doing it for yourself as well. So here's your challenge for this week. Share one meaningful piece of content. Heck, you can share this episode from your company, school, or Mario Pierre Fields. And don't just hit share, add a hashtag, maybe a couple of words to enhance that content. That simple act makes you visible, and it'll help boost your online reputation quicker than you think. So remember, your digital brand, it isn't built in one day. It's built click by click, post by post, share by share, conversation by conversation. And then you will know when someone puts your name in a search engine, you'll know what comes up because you will have these strategies to do it. I'm gonna leave you guys with this scripture that came to me when I was preparing these pro tips. Proverbs 16:3. I'm gonna read it here. It says, "Commit to the Lord whatever you do, and He will establish your plans." So here's the deal: if you commit to being intentional online, your digital reputation will grow stronger every single day. Until the next SgtMaj Pro tip, or pro tips from the SgtMaj, however you guys want to say it. God bless you, your family, and your friends, and all living things around you. See you soon.